In this video, I'll guide you through how to import a font in Klaviyo. Whether you're customizing your email campaigns or enhancing your brand's messaging, having the right font can make a significant difference in how your content is perceived. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can easily bring your favorite fonts into Klaviyo. First, you'll want to navigate to the Master Styles tab. This is located in the main sidebar menu, which you'll find on the far left side of your editor screen. If you're new to Klaviyo, the Master Styles tab is your go-to place for anything related to the overall appearance and style of your emails. By adjusting settings here, you ensure that your fonts are consistent across all your campaigns, maintaining a cohesive look that aligns with your brand. Once you're in the Master Styles section, scroll down until you reach the Typography section. Typography is crucial as it dictates how your text appears, and using a custom font can help your emails stand out in your subscribers' inboxes. Here, you'll see the Add Custom Font link. Go ahead and click on that link. This is your gateway to introducing new fonts into your Klaviyo account. Now comes the exciting part, choosing the source of your font. Klaviyo provides a few options to make this process as smooth as possible. You can select Google Fonts, which is a fantastic resource because it offers a wide array of free fonts that are easy to integrate. If you opt for Google Fonts, simply type in the name of the font you wish to use. It's that simple. Google Fonts are especially popular because they're web-friendly, ensuring that your email displays consistently across different devices and email clients. Alternatively, if you have a specific font in mind that's hosted elsewhere, you can select Adobe Fonts or enter a custom font URL. To do this, you'll need a direct link to a hosted WOF or WOF2 font file. WOF stands for Web Open Font Format, which is a web-friendly format that ensures your font loads quickly and looks great on all devices. By using a custom font URL, you can bring in unique fonts that may not be available on Google Fonts, giving you even more flexibility in your design choices. Whichever option you choose, remember that consistency is key. Make sure the font you select aligns with your brand identity and enhances the readability of your content. A well-chosen font can elevate your design and convey professionalism while also making your emails more engaging to read. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can import your preferred fonts into Klaviyo, giving your email campaigns a personalized touch. Experiment with different fonts to see which ones resonate best with your audience, and don't forget to preview your emails to ensure the font displays correctly. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.